Sporting Lagos. Football don't come back to Lagos again. Okay. Come on.
Match the one, Robert Mizo, 3 goals.
If the offer comes, why him no go down?
Aqua Bielsa was a power one.
8 goals. Wow. For inside one game. And then we talk about the streaming. Propel collabo with MTN.
That's the problem I'm having with our football in this country.
For me, it's a hit miss.
Okay, we don't come back again, and this now the football community where they cook steady football podcast here. We call them the Football Republic podcast, and my name now Sawadinho. We look waiting to happen for African football, especially Niger, because last and say East, West, North, and South. Baba, no place be like your own domot. You understand? NPFL Tatafo. The good news now say the Nigerian Premier Football League, after all the postpone, it don't finally start. March day 1. Give us 23 goals, 7 home wins, 1 draw. The only draw happened for Uwere. Sweet me, Sha, but it is what it is. Once again, my name is Sawadinho, and the community don't gather to cook. Once again, as I ask always, if community cook for you, bro, it will fit chop. I get Uzo, I get Justin, and I get Kingsley. All of them, and then they represent the full community this beautiful day. Kingsley, how far?
I did fine, my guy. Hail you.
How many matches you watched this weekend?
I saw 2 games this weekend. Shooting against Plateau United. Okay. Then Noisy Lagosians. Sporting Lagos against Gombe United.
Why they call them Noisy Lagosians? They will come for you.
No, I be part of the Noisy Lagosians.
Okay, now the official nickname.
So the thing be this, we sabi make noise. Even though originally I be Enyimba supporter. But for the fact say I did Lagos, okay, I no get choice. I need to support the one we be our own here inside Lagos. So I be part of the noise makers.
You're not the faithful. You're not the faithful supporter. Justin, how you be now?
Good morning, sir. I do. We don't come back again. Make we discuss waiting the ground, and as we saw earlier. Port Harcourt people go say charity na picking where them born for house.
Where they born for inside.
Yeah, so we talk about what happen for our backyard all throughout the weekend.
So how many games do you watch?
I see 2 games, non-physically though, but I see 2 games. I stream out. Okay. And it is interesting.
We will talk about that streaming later. Which games will you see?
Sporting Lagos and Gombe with Shooting Stars and then Play 2.
Okay, Shooting Stars and Play 2. And Wala Uzode. Uzo IDB.
Now well done, my people. We are back again to serve you jolly good football.
Uzo, you don't watch any match?
No, I watch. I saw the Heartland game. I streamed the Heartland game. Yeah, that my people be that. Now Heartland is my team, so I streamed their game.
So how many people support Heartland here? Me, I be Heartland fan. You be Heartland fan. You be Heartland fan.
No, Heartland na first choice. Rivers United now my second choice.
Okay, Rivers United is second choice. You know how would it take support for this country? Now, maybe based on where you from.
Okay.
Based on where you live.
Okay.
I think that basically 92.
Yeah,
that take support for this country.
Then maybe you get one player where you also like where they want team. So because of that player, somehow you go begin their alliance with that team.
You get your friend with the one team and all of that. All right, so we could sharply talk about the results we happened for match day 1 for the Nigerian Premier Football League. Katsina United beat Kwara United 1-0. Shooting Stars then beat Plateau United 2-1. Sunshine Stars beat Kano Pillars 1-0. I go skip the Bayelsa result because now that one would you start first. Rangers beat Doma United 2-1. Heartland played 2-2 with Lobby Stars, the only draw match where we see. Abia Warriors beat Niger Tornadoes 1-0, and Monday football. But once in Monday night football, but they didn't really enter night. Maybe we see Monday night football. Sporting Lagos, they beat Gombe United 2-0. The standout game, I mean, if you look the scoreline, now the game between Bayelsa United and Aqua United, 8 goals. And now there we go start from Kingsley.
Boss.
8 goals for inside one game. I mean, anybody will be commentator for that match. You go enjoy the game scatter.
Wonderful. As in, a lot of people get this mindset, say Nigerian leagues will not they score goals.
I say the goals they usually be under 1.5.
Say they be ones ahead, that kind of thing. If I don't score you 1-0 like this, 9 I don't lock up shop with that. Yeah. To see 8 goals in one particular game, wonderful. And the game really shows say na star game. Why? Because prior to the beginning of the league, Bayelsa had already they make us understand say we don't dey prepare for this season to start. You understand? Aqua United too. We saw them at the Super 8 when they come Lagos too. When Fatah Osho just handled them, just take a range in team that time too. We saw the level of football that this team they play. Then can also add up some fine players again, join them just to beef up in team. So already ahead of that day, if you look at again, make I just throw in small jab. If you look say the other 4 big teams no play that day. So some people now talk say na NP. Now we don't see. The league never really start. But Aqua Bayelsa was a power one. Game. And even though I was streaming the shooting play 2 game, but honestly, I was also following the Bayelsa because you get one group where I did. As the goals just they come, at the time I call the one that say, when they will just drop one update, you go just say na Bayelsa and Aqua again. At the time I could say no let Bayelsa and Aqua they play, but to be very very honest with you, I am so glad. Me, I be mathematician. If you look and we get 23 goals, just one game give us 8 goals, as in is a standard game. And I'm glad Nigerian League is back and is back for good.
All right, we hope say the league don't be back for good. Robert Mizo score Wazobia, what they call a hat trick, and him be the star man for match day 1, whether we like him or not. Since the league starts, since Nigeria Premier League, Professional Football League, Premier Football League, nobody don't score more than 23 goals. I think in front of the door, 23 or 24. Nobody don't score more than that. Match day 1, Robert Mizo, 3 goals. If he continue like this, definitely supposed to break in front of the record now.
Sure.
But I mean, you see him to continue like that.
I just see him to continue. I'm not going to say. I think 90%. Yes, 3 goals in continue for when stop last season. Yes, in the running to become highest goal scorer. Although some things happen in dropout, but looking at it, I think 2 things they involve. Bayelsa United still need to continue the frequency at which then they play. They get the good results. Him also need to stay fit, avoid injuries. If he continue like this,
and he no need to jackpot.
Exactly.
Because
why he no go jackpot? If the offer comes, why him no go jackpot? If the offer comes, why him no go jackpot?
You understand? So
that's true.
If you know jackpot, they fully complete the season and all of that. But generally, Justin, just tell me the games where you how you see match day 1 generally and the games where you concentrate on.
Match day 1, I think it did very interesting. I'm not gonna lie. I enjoyed every bit of it. Say we get 23 goals. Make I start from Heartland. Yes, Heartland are my own. Yes, we lost that game, but thank God say we'll come back to come draw the match. So it makes sense say we no start the season with a loss.
Home loss for that
with
matter.
home loss. One other thing wey interest me also now seeing away teams they score. See the star game where we see over the weekend. Bayelsa United come from behind to Conte win the match. So away teams this time for NPFL, they know they fear anybody. They score goals, and if we continue at this rate, we're going to see enough away win. Will go happen.
Normally, that discussion we don't even trust that discussion over time. This whole idea say for Nigeria League, home win. Yes, we see a whole lot of home win, but I think say in recent times we don't see good amount of away wins where they show say if teams come play well, they fit go anywhere, go win. I know say a lot of factors they come into play when they make teams then they fit travel, go win. I mean, for Nigeria, we don't get good transportation system.
True.
Sincerely.
True. That's
so somebody will go move from say Port Harcourt to Maiduguri. You understand? Sometimes coaches go say, okay, make I keep some of my star boys. You understand? Make I carry weaker team per se travel. You understand? And then when you travel, you consider all those factors. Say you spend 11 hours or you spend 2 days and all of those things. We don't get good traveling system. So that now part of the reasons why I feel say okay, we need to get away wins. But in recent times, we don't see good amount of away wins where they suggest say okay, improvement in the league.
True.
So that una Heartland withdraw, una no side play ball.
I don't go say Atlant no sabi play ball. Atlant is struggle. Yes, no doubt. With a struggle. But I think with some of these recent developments where they don't initiate, Heartland, I did sure say no go relegation this season and they will come well. Also, the tactics don't they improve small. If now last season, if I say, Heartland don't lose this game. But they never say that attitude don't kick in, as well as some of the other things we don't see. Heartland will come.
But remember, they are the NNL champions now.
NNL champions,
yes. We're lucky. I be Heartland fan. We're just lucky to get that result. Not because they did anything extraordinary happened behind the scene. It's just that the players just had that zeal that they want to get a result out of this game.
Now, waiting they
other from that, first of all, the pitch was extreme. I mean, it's extremely bad.
True.
Extremely bad. You can't play good football
in
such pitches. You can't play good football with such pitches.
Yeah, because I know I see Heartland for Eket. I watch Heartland for Eket for the Niger Super 8 playoff against Eyimba. I listen, I do commentary for that game for Pidgin. I watch Heartland against Eyimba, and they play very good football against Eyimba.
The guys are good.
As a matter of fact, this former Rivers United defender, we did part of the coaching crew. After the game, we caught up and we did talk. He just say, okay, they may use the game, give out some guys, some tryouts and all of that. I say, okay, when I give out guys tryouts for this game, and then play this kind of football. Meaning, say, you get one or two things when you do for this Heartland. Where they good. Yes. So, if you can't carry those guys, maybe say probably they used to free-flowing, knocking football. Can't carry them come a bad pitch.
That's the problem I'm having with our football administration in this country. Do the right. This stadium was also renovated not up to 2 years now, and it is deep bad. So, what are we saying? You can't get good results with such bad pitches. We need to do the right thing. We can't. Every season will come, we'll talk about it. These guys they love football. They know how to play it. But give them the right environment. Make it conducive for them to play football, and you will get the good results you are looking for. It's not magic. It's not rocket science. It's just to put the right people in charge, and you will see the results coming in. So that's my anger with the management of that team.
Okay. So if you were to pick one standout result for you over match day one, which one would be?
Everybody done the hammer on the Bayelsa United.
Because goals plenty. Which game you could pick out as standard result for you?
It's still my Heartland because of how they were able to come back from 2 goals down.
Okay.
It's still my Heartland. I was so impressed with how they came back, they fought, and they got a point from that game. Even though I expected more because it's the first game of the season, and I expected more to come out from them. But the fact that I don't know. I just feel, it's the first match of the season, so subsequently we can see what's going to happen.
Hopefully you'll watch one or two Heartland games this season. Which game be your standard or surprising game for the weekend?
My standard game now, Sporting Lagos. Football don't come back to Lagos again. Okay. Come on. I sure see the whole of Lagos. They're just a happy say and see the turnout for the stadium.
Yes, we don't fool the stadium.
Yes, we don't fool the stadium.
That was what I was expecting.
Now match day one.
That match day one. I don't fool the stadium with all the
with the win. Trust me, next home game, you see thousands go troop into the stadium. Rally support round for Sporting Lagos.
Well, I understand why they don't fool the stadium. Maybe because now Monday.
Okay.
You understand?
But it was a public holiday. Na public holiday. No, na public holiday.
Yeah, na public holiday.
You don't forget, say, traffic go see there. Traffic see there.
But I am...
For me, my star game, I take a cue from Justin. It's Sporting Lagos. Again, why am I saying that? Because it's long we've actually been looking forward to having Premiership match
in Lagos.
You understand? So,
but then again, why? Okay, this thing they carry me to go that discussion because. Now, just 2 seasons ago, how many seasons ago we'll get a Lagos team?
Yes. We had MFM, we had Ikorodu.
They were not like a Lagos team. Or let's not.
That's the thing. Don't worry, I'm not gonna say we'll hold that discussion. Because we'll talk about
the day we'll talk about it, we'll dissect it.
Yes. So for now, you say your standard game now the Sporting Lagos.
Yes, it was the Sporting Lagos team because at least I'm having Premiership game back in Lagos. Do you understand? Yeah. And again, we saw the appetite that the Lagos fan they had. Why am I saying so? We had the Super 6 here in Lagos, minus Lagos Club. But at least we had the big boys in the Nigerian league coming to Lagos to play then. And good thing, we went home with the trophy. Eyimba fan now, I'm talking as an Eyimba fan. So then the Super 8 came immediately after that again. Do you understand? Good thing, Sporting was now part of the Super 8. Then the packaging, everything was fine. And Sporting also went ahead
to
win that competition. Do you understand? So it's already building that appetite. Again, just like you say, make we know to hammer the team. There was so much hype already. So people appetite don't they up. And everybody was looking forward to it. The only down part of the whole thing for me was just like you said, the stadium was not filled.
Okay.
You understand?
And me, we don't see from the Super 8 say to full stadium.
You know, it's not
it's not an issue in Lagos.
So what I'm trying to say here, why I was bringing the Heartland, and it's not like Sporting Lagos team match was like the peak for me. When it comes to the play,
quality
of play, it's just because of how they have been able to manage the whole audience, how they have been able to bring back fans to the games.
Yes,
how
the awareness level is extraordinary.
That is what I'm looking at. Sure. That's the angle. But when it comes to the quality of play, I feel it's still not so up there.
Okay. For the level of football.
Yes, now.
Okay.
Yeah,
but did you see the game? Did you see the Sporting game?
I saw flashes of it, part of it, though, but it's not.
So you know,
but you will not compare it with Heartland match. That's what I'm telling you. You will not compare
what the Heartland match go well
personally.
For you
yes, for me. Yes.
All right, that's fine. All right, so all of them get different games. For me, now the Bayelsa United game, I like game we get goals, and the Sporting Lagos games for obvious reasons. I mean, Sporting Lagos don't they win my heart. I don't will lie. You understand? They don't win my heart. Yeah, and all of that. Some teams we know they in action over the weekend. Teams like Rivers United and Insurance of Benin, for obvious reasons to them, then they Continental, you know. But before we talk about those ones, the hype around the league we start now. Say, Nigerian football fans feel they stream the matches. Nigerian football fans feel they stream the matches. I mean, I think we'll be get like how many games live this weekend? I think five games live this weekend or so. You understand? More we'll talk about the streaming. Propel, the collabo with MTN to give us the matches live. You stream match, have you?
Yes, I did.
Justin, you stream.
I stream.
Who's all you stream? Justin, most start from you.
Okay, Propel. I see. For me, I believe that they step in the right direction. Since our league no day on streaming platform or on TV for a while now. I think yes, some people go tell me say, and some of my guys with there go talk say camera quality. Uzo, calm down, hold on. See, yes, we fit talk say camera quality and all that, no replay, but we could just remember now the first match day, and things go turn out better. So now good step in the right direction for our league and for Propel. I believe say as the time goes on, because from the games where I stream on Saturday with the one where I stream on Monday, difference day. And not be small difference. I think that difference up to 70% improvement from what I see on Saturday.
Really?
Yes.
Just a difference of 2 days.
Just a difference of 2 days. Because over the weekend on Sunday, we get one of Propel management. We hear the feedback we'll give from the Saturday streaming. And when I watch Monday on, I know say the man don't really put all those things into play.
What is the difference we notice between Saturday
now, the camera positioning, there was improvement. Now,
you know, that camera, they tell us that camera, an artificial intelligence camera, and in the program to follow the movement of the ball. So, I mean, before now, that now waiting we know. You understand? So, waiting exactly they do different on the Monday where you claim say they better than the Saturday streaming. Waiting exactly they different.
For that Saturday streaming, the positioning, where they position the camera to the catch, no be waiting with they used to for other leagues in the world. But that Monday, the way they position them, it they like a replica of waiting we they see for other leagues. Also, the picture quality, very clear.
Better than
no background noise. If you follow some of the games on Saturday, you're gonna hear background discussion back. But on Monday, they don't eliminate those ones come out. So those two factors, as well as I know say yes, replay never come. Replay go still come because they promise us say replay is gonna come over the week. And we're gonna enjoy all those things. Now, another thing also, team list come out on time. Where we see all the players will go play that match. Unlike some of the centers we will witness on Saturday.
Okay.
So I think those 3 improvements now the way to go forward. And I know say more go still follow. Now good job Propel they do with MTN to partner with NPFL.
That's a good one.
You notice any difference? You agree with these things?
Yeah, I noticed the difference really. I'm not gonna lie you because I've been viewed the shooting play too on Saturday. You understand? But again, I like the question where you ask them. So what do you think say they do differently? Me, I get another different view about the whole thing. Do you understand? Why do I say so? First of all, look the size of the stadium. It can also contribute in making that quality look better. Then if you also look at this Mobolaji Johnson Arena, what they talk, do you understand?
Yeah.
More it's an enclosed all through, as in all the 4 corners get shade. So those shades could have also added value to that clarity of the picture. I'm not so much of a professional in that area, but I'm just trying to think that, is it that they did something too extraordinary, or is it just the playing atmosphere that also made the picture quality clearer? Do you understand? So, but for me, I won't look this deal from 2 angles.
Okay.
Is it a hit
Or a miss?
or is it a miss?
Yeah.
For me,
what do they look about?
it's a hit miss. So what I thought in a hit miss is a hit in the sense that good a thing, our league is back. We can view it. Now, just like the way we enjoy the foreign leagues, maybe on TV or streaming, whichever platform that we are convenient with, on the move, you can also see the Nigerian league on the move.
Okay.
That's a good one. Fantastic.
Okay. So from that angle, now
Yes,
hits.
na hits.
Okay.
Then the miss now, na the quality.
Okay.
Where we don't talk. Do you understand? Because
No
the hype.
replay, no. I mean, when a player score, don't forget the game where I mean they see.
Okay.
Player score.
They begin to find the name, one
begin
know.
to find the name. You want to score, unless maybe commentator can't get it right.
That's true.
all those
That's
things,
true. That's true. Very
And the
correct.
Different
the
angles.
beauty of football commentary is being able to
See different angles.
see the players, immediately identify them, and you don't need to
even
start.
sometimes off-scene pictures.
Yes.
You understand? What will make us they enjoy foreign leagues when we they watch more? Arguments they come out when you see the reaction. You can't they see replay. Replay can't they give you details of what you not see before. You understand? So, but I believe as time goes on, feedback they will continue working on it. And I just believe that Propel will, along the line, if they listen to the feedback and also put in more money. May they not do say, we they manage money. We don't want that management money thing. May they spend the money. They don't sign sponsorship
That's
now.
How much?
If the thing not reach them, therefore not sign now.
I beg. First of all, NFF, now well done. I don't finally NPFL. Now well done. I don't finally come back. We are glad and we are happy.
After how many postponement?
They came like a thief in the night. The league don't start. every other country's league will start. They will tell them
The time
it is
they
this
choose.
date and they will start. Our own midnight, they can't call you for knock for your door.
You know, say, what is his name? Boye. Boye go pick out one of my videos from, I think 2020.
I think
Okay.
on Twitter, right?
Yeah, on Twitter. Come go post them. Say, Sawadinho don't talk about this thing several
Before.
years ago. And I can bet you, say, that video, not even the first time why they talk about, they say league will start. I will bet anybody, say next season.
The same thing
Next
go see
season,
happen.
to see happen.
The same thing go see
If
happen.
the organizers of the MPFL say league will start on the 10th of say August.
Yes.
I will bet my entire life savings.
Yes.
Say you know go start that 10th of
That
August.
is the problem.
Not true. Not true.
That is
at
the
all.
problem.
But
now,
we
for
suppose they
Propel Sport,
optimistic for change.
It's not. It's,
But yes, we're supposed to be optimistic for change. But the sad thing is the change never comes.
And
you
it's
can't
wrong.
keep doing the same thing and expect
No,
a different
it's wrong.
result.
Exactly.
It's
You
wrong, bro.
can't.
All of us agree. That one day is
The
very,
change
very
never
wrong.
comes.
For Propel Sports, we don't have issues with the company.
Yeah.
True.
The quality was not bad. But it's the total production. What you are giving out. We are
not
talking
what we
about
expected.
our league not having a good face. And you that with so much hype that you are coming in with. That we are
But the hype
expecting.
loud.
It was
It
so
loud, it
loud.
loud.
And now you're not telling us now later that the hype was too much or not for us. So it wasn't like that. So it was not planned like this. So people overhyped us. So why did you raise our expectations so high
So you need to
and
also-
give us
you-
so
you need-
little?
you need to
That's
raise
the
your
problem we are
delivery as well.
having.
You need to raise your delivery.
You can't just raise people's expectations and offer them so little.
So what do what do we go make out of this streaming thing? Because for me, my own summary for this whole thing is if you know be TV, normal terrestrial or cable network TV, nothing. This streaming thing, I believe, say we did deceive ourselves with
So
that.
2 days ago.
If we not go back to, 2016, 2015, 2017, early 2017, when we did on in proper cable TV.
Yes.
Come on,
Yes.
you don't feel compare.
Now,
Even all the top 5 big leagues in Europe, they make mistake.
you see, let's not use that as a yardstick. You don't justify
It is
mistakes.
not a
You don't say,
yardstick.
oh, because this person failed,
Propel
make I
is
fail.
moving in the right direction with this our league.
Okay.
Nobody's
If
saying they're not moving in the
Propel
right
no
direction.
dey,
Wait,
we go fit
just think.
stream the league this weekend. We for no streamer.
Are they not being paid for
just
it?
dey
Are they not-
live
are they not
on
getting
waiting
paid?
list.
Possibly-
Are you saying
possibly
that
there
they
would
don't
have been
know?
other options.
Wait. Are they
Which
doing us
other
a...
options do we
Possibly,
have?
no, possibly there would have been other options.
Tell me another option now.
Wait, no vex. Are they doing us a favor?
Yes, to some extent.
No.
Was your
it's
league
business.
I don't
in
leave this
It's
podcast for
business.
you.
No, hold
I don't
on.
leave this
It's
podcast
business.
for
This
you.
league
It's
where we
business.
dey
They are not
talk
doing us a
today.
for
favor.
you.
This league where they talk
Yeah.
today,
Yeah.
we no see am.
Okay.
Last time.
Okay.
Waiting you see, we rely on feedback of person where they there. But now,
There
me
was a
and
team.
you,
No,
who
there was a
said-
team.
who said-
There was a team.
who said-
There was
who
a
said
team
no
now.
see am
The
last
only
season?
thing
Who
you say
said
is that
no
they
see
were
am
not
last
at
season?
they were not at all
Exactly.
centers. That's the only thing. They were not
Exactly.
at all centers.
Ah,
Maybe
they
at
were
least
not
one
at
or
all
two.
centers.
Don't forget
Propel
that
don't make
the
this
way
thing
they were
easy.
mobilized these guys, this Oyibo guy, they always like blow out of proportion into be Oyibo with the sabi blow and come out of proportion. The way they mobilize these guys, the guys that did that NPFL TV, I bet you
Na
if they
Nigerians,
were
oh.
if they were mobilized the same way,
Yes.
they would do a far better job
True.
than what we are seeing, what
Right,
we are
but we
getting
didn't
right
believe in
now.
them.
Forget it's the first match of the season, no doubt. I'm not trying to
No,
castigate
I
them.
know one or two about the NPFL TV.
Okay,
coverage, you
no wahala,
understand?
no
So
wahala.
we'll just-
More
we'll
leave
just
am there.
that- we'll leave that story there. I know one or two about the NPFL TV and all of the coverage, and I mean the guys then we do the coverage and all of that. But one thing I go always talk, you get one advert where they talk back in the day. If you know if you be like,
Yes,
you
yes,
understand.
yes,
You know,
yes.
man, I can't sell any advert for anybody. If you want to advertise, come with me, enter my DM, make you advertise on this podcast. Okay, so I've been telling her before, say some teams be no play for the NPFL this weekend. Teams like Rivers United, teams like Eyimba. I think Eyimba no play this weekend. Insurance of Benin no play also. For Rivers United and Insurance of Benin, because of say they been get continental game, and Rivers United play against Etoile Filante for the second leg. Etoile Filante now a club side from Burkina Faso. The second leg of the CAF Confederations Cup final qualifiers preliminary stage, and Rivers United win that match 2-0. But that 2-0, my brother, they can't win, my brother, because they missed 2 penalty before Oyowa can score 2 late goals. One of them 89 minutes, the other one 99 minutes. Now they scored the goals. Rivers United win. For Insurance of Benin, when they don't play 2-2 for Benin against RS Bekane, as they won't travel go Morocco. I don't really talk a year before for our last podcast. Say for me, they don't come out, and true, they don't disappoint me. They come out true. I don't say Jidechi and the rest of the guys. Jidechi they just say they feel good. They go draw 2-2 and all of that. They be soup and all of that. But me, I know from the depth of my heart, say they no fit go do anything for the return leg. And as I take talk, they lose that game 1-0. So Insurance don't come out. 3 Nigerian teams don't come out from the continent. Eyimba, Remo, and Insurance don't come out. Rivers United don't enter the group stage of the CAF Confederations Cup. Guys, Rivers United, man, start with Kingsley. Rivers United and Insurance for CAF competition.
Rivers United, honestly. So again, I remember the last time we've been come here. Jidechi mentioned something. He said Eguma na legend. Eguma don't show him again. Same the legend.
Yes. Now who saw? Now
I was
I know
asking,
agree.
say,
in what aspect?
in what aspect?
In
Is
coaching
it
aspects.
in coaching
In
aspects?
achievement aspects.
I beg.
Eguma,
Are we?
Stanley,
Do we want to
Azumba,
actually draw this issue? Do you want to stretch
We'll
it?
not go drop. We'll not go drop.
We don't already
More
say
just
they
to
have-
easy
Last
game.
week.
I did have.
He get wetin I wan bring out wey make me dey talk elder and legend.
Yeah.
If he dey young, make he be legend.
Okay.
But this Baba dey senior and na legend.
Na senior man.
It takes only a senior legend to still say no, even if it is in the 89th or 90th minute.
Yeah.
We go get the result.
Because all they needed was just a win.
Just a win.
Yeah.
Even though the fans were even trooping out and all those things, but he still made his boys know that you took us far on the continent the last time.
Yeah, quarterfinal.
Everybody is hoping up on you. Your contemporary, which is Insurance, they've lost ahead now. We cannot afford to lose out. and they gave us the results. And that's why we are here talking today. Because if to say themselves lose, come out, are they sure maybe we not even discuss this topic? Who knows?
Because, I mean, if the say Rivers United no day, this coefficient thing, I know you like to go into this coefficient discussion and all of that, because I never really calm down, study how this coefficient is calculated. Normally, in a part of the things I've been like to calculate back in the day, but in recent times I need to bother myself. But if we go by the performance of our Nigerian teams on the continent, I mean, our coefficients supposed to all drop scatter. Because, I mean, apart from Rivers United, we play quarterfinals. When was the last time we get a Nigerian team for even group stage?
I think they bring out
we don't drop. We don't come up for first 12.
We don't get first 12 again.
For league?
CAF ranking, like I think the whole contribution, like when it comes to football development also, we did like we don't even get first 12. Countries like Tanzania, they are ahead of us. It should tell you the decay that we are experiencing in our football right now.
If Rivers no go beyond quarterfinals, say the team, and that time we will see the adverse effect on this coefficient.
Make you no can go drop, say we're gonna get 1-1 team.
You know that kind of thing, and we
because
don't like that.
There was a time we had that experience.
Yeah, because the more the form is poor, the more your participation is going to be reduced, and it's really not good for us for our football.
It's not the best. It's not the best.
So apparently, no Nigerian team they for the list of top 20 according to CAF, top 20 ranked teams for Africa. No Nigerian team. Al Ahly, of course, the most successful team for the continent. Now then, the top of that list, of course, Wydad Casablanca. You see teams from Egypt, Morocco, Tanzania, South Africa, Algeria, even Sudan, Cote d'Ivoire, Tunisia. All of them did there, but no Nigerian team did the top 20 for the ranking of African teams. Justin, I mean, I know just get more just concentrate on the insurance and the Rivers United, because if I want to talk about the whole, I mean, so many factors. The other day we listen to, we don't hear different people talk about, say, because of, say, they play the league when our league never starts when continent they start. So they're part of the problem. But this particular league season, they rush their brief season last season because they won't meet up to the calendar. But it still reach this season. Then postpone. Say everybody come out for the league. So Justin, what it is so?
See, Sawa, the issue we deal for us for this thing consistency. We know they consistent. Consistency in management also. As you talk every time we rush league so that we go fit meet up, but we can't still postpone them. Waiting we they try to accomplish, we don't even accomplish it. Also, the teams where they go represent us for CAF, whether the CAF Champions League or the Confederations Cup, they know they consistent. Most times we know they make the group stage. Even if we make the group, only one now go even progress go far. So that thing follow affect the rankings. So I think we as club managers now, club owners, they need to make sure say they try. No, the aim no be just to win the NPFL. The aim now to win the NPFL. Those 4 representatives, make them go there, go show their worth also. Nigeria, we get teams where we stand against any other teams from Egypt, Tunisia, and all that. But because I think we don't lose the value of this thing. We don't lose the value. Then check 2004. 2005 down through 2016, NPFL teams they always try.
Well.
But now we can just see we know they make the league, we know they make the group stage. Even if we make the group stage, we go they lose.
So maybe player retention. Is also very
when
important.
Say
no, you see. I mean, Imade don't leave insurance, don't jackpot. You understand, and all of that. As we wrap up this episode, I'll just ask you a quick question. Okay. How far if you say Rivers United will go?
Rivers United will go out of this group stage into the next stage. First, when we get there,
how far?
I'm not expecting anything less than semi-finals, honestly.
This season?
Yes, this season. I'm not expecting anything less than semi-finals.
Wow.
Because they've built themselves over time. They've also learned from the experience of last season. Again, like we mentioned in the last podcast, the team that took them out got to the finals of the competition. Which means possibly, mathematically, if you look at it like that, though it's not easily calculated that way, maybe if they had scaled through young Africans, possibly we would have seen Rivers United in that finals as well.
How far?
See, Sawa, the thing be say, make we no forget, as we they try to improve our league, other people say they try and improve their league. So for me, how far where I think say they go, I think they will still make quarterfinals.
Oh, really? Quarterfinals?
Yes.
Now, here we will end this episode of the Football Republic podcast. Of course, the community don't come here, come cook another sweet one for you. Justin Kingsley and Uzo, of course, with myself, Sawadinho. I will bring you this one. No forget again, so if you stream all of this for any streaming platform, and if you want to be part of the community, all you need to do is just to reach out to me via my DM, Sawadinho, on Instagram, Sawadinho. And of course, if I just reason with you and I know it's okay, fine, you sharp to come here, we will bring you come here. Like I talk, some teams don't they package themselves for inside Nigerian Premier Football League. And that packaging don't they bring one or two, collabos, and don't they attract one or two faces into the NPFL to come they watch matches. We will talk with some of them. Why you they come to the stadium? No miss the next episode. No miss any episode of our podcast. My name is Sawadinho, and this is Football Republic. Football Republic.